Can driving in D3 for extended periods of time damage my car?
In this video, we will discuss whether driving in D3 for extended periods of time can cause damage to your car. We'll cover the purpose of D3, its effects on your car, and tips for proper use.
What is D3 mode?
D3 mode, or third gear, is a gear setting on automatic transmissions that limits the transmission to the first 3 gears. This mode is typically used for engine braking, increased torque in uphill driving, reduced torque in downhill driving.
Can driving in D3 cause damage to my car?
While driving in D3 for short periods of time is usually safe, extended use can have some negative effects. 1. Increased engine wear. The engine will rev at a higher RPM, leading to increased wear on internal components. 2. Decreased fuel efficiency. Running at higher RPMs consumes more fuel, which can increase your costs and emissions. 3. Overheating. Driving in D3 for extended periods, especially at high speeds, can cause the engine and transmission to overheat.
How to use D3 mode properly?
To minimize the risk of damage to your car, follow these guidelines. 1. Use D3 for specific situations. Reserve D3 for engine braking, uphill driving, or downhill driving, and switch back to drive, D, when conditions normalize. 2. Monitor engine temperature. Keep an eye on your engine's temperature gauge to avoid overheating. 3. Regular maintenance. Ensure your car receives regular maintenance, such as oil changes and transmission fluid checks, to keep it running smoothly. While driving in D3 for extended periods can potentially cause damage to your car, using it correctly for specific situations should not cause any issues. Be mindful of how you use D3, monitor your car's engine temperature, and keep up with regular maintenance to protect your vehicle.